Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. So today, I'll be sharing my life just to show you one of those days in which you just wake up as a trader and decide to carry off, check the market to see what is going on, that kind of stuff. You have to make sure that everything actually goes fine. Maybe you have to make money. As a trader, you have to make money. You have to make money from the market, and you have to be smart enough. You have to set your things right, your strategy, your principle right, so as not to get stopped out or chopped your money out or blow your account. So you have to have discipline. Follow the plan, trade your setup. Don't be too quick to enter the trade. And don't be too slow to enter trade. Do the right thing at the right time so as to make profit after the market. Before I continue, subscribe to this channel because you are going to be watching the market, how it does its thing, the trading activities, analyzing charts, where I'm expecting price to come to, I enter the market, and everything. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, subscribe now and also smash the like button. Thank you very much. You can make comments. Don't play.
So today, I'm looking at some few coins to see where I can possibly take trades today. Just woke up not quite long, trying to see. Currently is around 12 p.m. at my time. And let's see what we have on the chart right now. I think let me check up Bitcoin. So because I still posted on the Telegram group this trade on the Telegram group, this particular one. So this one in the middle, and it was in the profit to this point, which was I was about 34% profit on my buy bit before the price broke it. So I just came back and I saw the price has broke it, but I didn't close the profit or I didn't shift the stop loss up, so I got stopped out. Yeah. So let's look at I chopped this huge pump, but let's just look at what I'm looking at today. So this is Bitcoin, this 4-hour chart. As you can see, last high cleared that point, push down, create new low, as you can see. So we have these 2 points. Let me see what I can pick from the chart today. See where we have the last low breakdown. Did it break up? No. So we have this point. So and that's on 4 hour. If you check on 1 hour, you can see it price broke down, price switch back on 1 hour, and we have this region. Oh, so this point actually looks interesting for me to look at, which is same thing with what I identified in the past. So this place actually looks very, very interesting to look at for a trade. Well, let's check 30 minutes. Let's see what's happening. Yeah, so I think I'll be picking this level because its price tap into this region, which is more like a daily level. So give us a nice momentum, a nice buying pressure from the region. So I'm not expecting price to actually come back and continue. Price could do that, but based on market structure we have on 1 hour currently, we have this switch, that clears all the liquidity here. I'm expecting price to just tap into here. This is what I'm expecting now, 1 hour and create a new high. So, but however, which like I said, which some are aligned with the one I have here initially. So because price already made that huge gap, so I was expecting price may come here. So which is why I look for like a 30-minute region, which is why I use this level, but it could not hold for a long time before crushing it. So, but however, what's my confirmation? I do love to use Ichimoku. It's a very, very good indicator. If you don't know how to use it, I will still make a video on that later on. I love it very well. So, and if you look at it, the Ichimoku cloud aligns very close to this level. So it's aligned with this level on 30 minutes initially, which is why I use it. So, but could not hold for long because it's just a small time frame region. But I expected a break actually because I expect these particular levels to hold because of some liquidity on the lower time frame around here. So, but however, looking at what we have right now, I think I'll be looking at price should do this and create a new high. So I will be expecting price to tap into this region, maybe a little bit lower. So price will come here. So I'll be expecting price to just come here. Price is creating liquidity right now. I'm expecting price to tap into it and probably make a switch and continue movement upward. So that I'll be expecting, and the way whatever how the trade plays out, I'm going to be letting you guys know. So, and I'll be showing you what it is. So I have a pro firm account, so I'll be going ahead and be placing the trade on a pro firm. So you can see. So hopefully looking at it, hopefully price just play this and just tap into here and then make that move. So let's see how it goes. But a confirmation will actually help in that region. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to let you guys know. Just wait till the end of this video. Yeah. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to go in ahead, set my alarm for price to come to this area, wait for confirmation if I got another confirmation because I have two type of confirmation. Anyone I got out of the two, I'm going to be entering trade on my profile account on C Trader. Thank you very much. Wait for the end of next year. Next one top turns out.
Now these people are stronger than me. Oh yeah, I killed someone. Perfect. Let's see. I need to change my gun. I committed suicide. Oh man. Oh man, let me just finish playing this round. I don't know, I'm not concentrating right now. I didn't kill anyone again. I treat the bomb, man. No, I need to increase my kills. Ah, I killed him. I just want to kill ourselves. That makes more sense now. I don't want to carry the last. The time is almost up. 37 seconds left for game over. Throw bomb, throw bomb, throw bomb. Ah, nice one. That's how we roll. Oh man. Oh fuck. Sometimes these are the things just like, oh, let me. I don't want to. I don't feel like throw the bomb. Fuck. Killed him. Nice one. Wow, I made it to 4. I killed 4 people. Oh, match over. Oh fuck. I tried this. I didn't win actually. So I didn't do well. So probably to try again next time. Yeah. So but sometimes you just feel like, oh, oh man, what the fuck. So yeah. Yeah, no. It does happen. Just waiting for what the trade is going to turn out to be. Yeah, I just finished playing some games now. Sometimes I just go to YouTube. I just like, oh, okay, let's just go ahead and watch some YouTube, watch some jokes, see what is happening. Especially watching well, Very Dark Man. I always love to watch his stuff sometimes. So let me say I'm a big fan of Very Dark Man because anytime I wake up, just pick my phone, see if it has notification. I don't follow him on Instagram or any other place, but on YouTube because I'm always following him on YouTube. I always wait for his stuff. So yeah, sometimes it all depends on you, but the main thing is just like check the trade. While I was playing the game, my alarm went off. So let's just check what's happening on the chart now. My alarm went off when I was playing the game. That means price is coming to an area, or price has come to an area where I was expecting price to come to. So let's check it out, guys. So right now you can see that price. Let's zoom in. Let's see what we have. I don't want to go my system, so let's just share the screen, share my tab on the TV, so where I was expecting price to come to this level, as you can see. So price actually try to make the little tap around here on the level, but I'm not yet satisfied with that little tap. But however, so what we have here, you can see price on this 1 hour. If you go to 15 minutes, price made a little tap into it and made a switch to the upside, making this nice move, and price is retracing back here. So if price actually don't want to come to that level, which I'm expecting to the downside, now that main region, maybe price just need to loss, like protect this area. So price does need to protect this area. So this is where my alarm went off, just to see if price is coming to test that low. So it comes a little bit below, you can see. So let's say everything ends. But I made a long from this region overnight. So I entered a long, which I'm very sure when I saw this nice switch. So I entered a long around here, and then price went to this high. So before I woke up, price is already back here, which is why I set an alarm around this region to see if price is coming to take this. So but looking at price wants to come down and take it out. So but let's see how it goes. I might end up closing it, but I've already shifted my stop loss to I will try and show you guys on the screen. I took the trade on my profile account and also on my Bybit. So yeah, so as you can see here, so I will try to shift my stop loss close to break even, and worst case I get break even, because I was not there, I was sleeping. So when price was here, so I couldn't close it, and I didn't set my take profit at the time because I was expecting price to go ahead and touch this line, but it didn't play out. I guess price, looking at it, price is moving now. It might want to come back to this area, this region that I identify. So however, let's see how it goes. I will let you know how the trade turns out. But these are one of the things you just see what's going on in the day. I will still be going out later in the evening or afternoon, so I have somewhere to go. So that does it, guys. Let's see how it goes. Yeah. So actually, I checked the trade now and I noticed that it's already coming down. I'm currently now back to 80%, because when I woke up, when I told you it went off, I was not there. So and the price is not it's my target at the point. So and when price is now, when I woke up, I saw it at 23%, and now when I check it now, since price is coming back to my entry, is now at 8%. Actually, I would have actually closed the trade, but that is where I put the notification, what you call it, the alert, that if price will touch that line, it should alert me so that I can see if price will take it out that region. Because if price will take it out, it will be coming from my entry and I will get stopped out. And sometimes, it happens like that because one of those days where you actually price didn't come to your entry, or sorry, you didn't take profit and it's coming back to entry. But when you reanalyze the market, you analyze again, and when you analyze again and you feel that this thing might come out and take me out, you might close the trade. It depends on the analysis, and which is why I always always make sure to validate your entry and also reanalyze the market, because market shift and trend shift every time, especially if you're a day trader, not a swing trader. If you're a day trader, you need to keep checking the market to make sure that your position that you're holding in profit, you not just go back in loss, So yeah, and that is why it's so good to also use training stop, so as to prevent yourself from getting stopped out unnecessarily, especially when you are in profit. That's very important. But I'm saying expecting price to come to that region. So let's see how it goes. You understand? So, but no, it's just one of those days when you just like, okay, yeah, it happens. And there are some days that you just wake up, you see profit, like, yeah, shut down, that kind of that kind of stuff. You understand? So, yeah, let's just see how things turns out. Yeah, we will be posting more on this channel. Yeah, and sometimes we'll be doing live trading together. We'll just do like a live stream and share screen and see how we can mimic the market together. But it's always fun in trading. Yeah, it's always fun. Yeah. So that will be all for today. I think I've tried. I've tried. If you think I tried, like this video and subscribe. Have a good one, guys.